At PhytoScience, we are always in the quest for better health and longevity. To achieve this, first and foremost, our red blood cells must be clean, healthy and in abundance. Every cell in the body gets its nutrients from blood. Blood carries out the critical functions of transporting oxygen and nutrients in our cells, getting rid of carbon dioxide and other waste products. One of the most important components of blood is red blood cells. Its primary function is to transport oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. It contains a protein called hemoglobin, an essential substance that is needed to carry oxygen from the lungs. So, how do we ensure our body has sufficient hemoglobin to keep us healthy and to enhance our longevity? We can do this by naturally stimulating the calorie restriction in our body with Snowphyll, Snow Algae Chlorophyll, an exclusive superfood specially formulated by Mibel Biochemistry Switzerland with a powerful combination of snow algae pure and mulberry leaf extract. Snowphyll, the longevity green food. The most marvelous benefit of Snowphyll green food comes from the fact that its molecular structure is almost identical to hemoglobin, except for the center atom. Thus, it can actually help to do the job of hemoglobin. It helps to rebuild and replenish our red blood cells, boosting our energy and increasing our well-being. Snowphyll has the power to regenerate our bodies at the molecular and cellular level. Active ingredients of Snowphyll. Snow algae pure. Over the years of research, scientists from Mibel Biochemistry have found that the main ingredient in Snowphyll, snow algae pure, an extract from the extremophil algae from the Swiss mountains, consists of a potent phytosubstance that mimics the effects of calorie restriction and, in this way, is able to improve the longevity of cells. Snow algae are single-cell algae with the unique ability to actively live at a temperature of approximately 0 degrees Celsius. These algae grow in alpine areas or polar climate in which there is permanent snow. Snow algae adapt to their environment by modifying their pigmentation. Pigmentation concentration change from red to green to red is one of the strategies developed by the snow algae to enable them to adapt to their extreme habitat. This innovative anti-aging ingredient has won the 2014 Europe BSB Innovation Prize Award. What is calorie restriction? Calorie restriction is a dietary regimen that involves reducing calorie intake by between 25 to 65%, while maintaining optimal levels of protein, vitamins and minerals. It has been demonstrated to protect against stress and decelerate the biological aging process, resulting in improved health and extended lifespan. Thus, calorie restriction is regarded as a promising pathway to slow down the signs of aging. Mulberry leaf extract. Touted as the next known health sensation, mulberry leaf extract has effective sugar-blocking properties that help to combat diabetes, cholesterol, heart disease, and lose unwanted pounds. It contains an element called 1-deoxynigericin (DNJ) that controls absorption of glucose and helps to reduce the amount of glucose in the blood. It's also packed with powerful antioxidants that help to decrease free radical damage and protect body cells against oxidative stress. Various minerals and extracts such as beta-carotene, GABA1, amino acids, carotenoids, flavonoids, chlorophyll, vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B6 and fiber. Benefits of Snowphyll. Reinforced skin barrier, better skin hydration, moisturized and smoother skin, less visible age spots, aids in gastrointestinal problems, promotes formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells, detoxifies toxins, helps to assimilate calcium and minerals, fights infections, treats bad breath, manages blood sugar and weight loss. ideal for anyone who is yearning for longevity and to be wholesome. Snowphyll, the longevity green food.